Accounts of partnership firms, fundamentals, sum number 9. From the following balance sheet of Rajan and Devan, who share profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2018. They had given a balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. The particulars of liabilities are capital, accounts of Rajan and Devan, profit and loss appropriation account. And the particulars of assets is sundry assets, which is rupees 2,20,000. They had also given some additional information. On 1st April 2018, Rajan introduced an additional capital of rupees 40,000, and on September 1, 2018, Devan introduced rupees 30,000. Drawings of Rajan and Devan during the year were rupees 20,000 and rupees 10,000 respectively. Profit earned during the year was rupees 70,000. Remember that interest on capital should always calculated with opening balance of capital accounts. But here they had given the closing balance of Rajan and Devan, and the amount is rupees 1,80,000. If capital at the beginning is not given, then it can be calculated as below. With the amount of closing balance, we have to add drawings, less profit and additional capital, which will give you opening balance of capital accounts. This is the format for finding opening balance of capital accounts. The amount of closing balance of Rajan and Devan are 1,80,000, and the amount for drawings are 20,000 for Rajan and 10,000 for Devan. With the amount of closing balance, we have to add drawings, that is 1 lakh with 20,000 and 80,000 with 10,000, which will gives you 1,20,000 for Rajan and 90,000 for Devan. With the amount of adjusted, we have to less additional capital, and the amounts of additional capital are 40,000 for Rajan and 30,000 for Devan. If we less 1,20,000 with 40,000, it will gives you rupees 80,000 for Rajan. If we less 90,000 with 30,000, it will gives you rupees 60,000 for Devan. And again we have to less profit already created. The amount for profit is rupees 70,000. But in the balance sheet, they had also given profit and loss account, and the amount is rupees 40,000. Now what we have to do is, we have to less 70,000 with 40,000, which will gives you rupees 30,000. It's our amount of profit. And they had also said that they share profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. So the Rajan's share is 2/3 and Devan's share is 1/3. This profit is for Rajan and this profit is for Devan. Here 30,000 by 3 is 10,000 and 30,000 by 3 is again 10,000. So the Rajan's profit is 10,000 into 2, which is 20,000, and the Devan profits is 10,000 into 1, which is 10,000. If we less 80,000 with 20,000, will gives you rupees 60,000 for Rajan, and if we less 60,000 with 10,000, will gives you rupees 50,000 for Devan. So our closing capital accounts of Rajan is rupees 60,000 and for Devan is rupees 50,000. Now we can calculate interest on capitals, Rajan and Devan. Calculation of interest on capital. The formula for interest on capital is equal to amount of capital into rate of interest into period of interest. First we will calculate interest on Rajan's capital. On opening capital for 1 year, amount of capital of Rajan is rupees 60,000. Rate of interest is 6%, which is 6/100. 0 gets cancelled. 600 into 6 is 3,600, which is the amount of Rajan's interest on capital. Rajan had also introduced some additional capital of rupees 40,000 on 1st April 2018. Our year ending is 31st December 2018, and our period of interest for Rajan is April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So the period of interest is 9 months. On additional capital for 9 months, amount of additional capital is rupees 40,000, rate of interest is 6%, that is 6/100, and period of interest is 9 months. 9 months by 12, that is a year contain 12 months, so 9/12. 0 gets cancelled. 6 1 times, 6 2 times is 12. 400 by 12 is 200. 200 into 9 is rupees 1800. For interest on Rajan's capital, we have to add an opening capital for 1 year and an additional capital for 9 months. That is 3600 plus 1800 will gives you rupees 5400. So the amount of Rajan's interest on capital is rupees 5400. Now we are going to calculate Devan's interest on capital. On opening capital for 1 year, amount of capital of Devan is rupees 50,000 and rate of interest is 6%, that is 6 by 100. 0 gets cancelled. 500 into 6 is rupees 3000. Devan had also introduced some additional capital of rupees 30,000 on 1st September 2018. As our year ending is 31st December 2018, so the period of interest is September, October, November and December. So there are 4 months. On additional capital for 4 months, amount of additional capital is rupees 30,000, rate of interest is 6%, that is 6 by 100, and period of interest is 4, that is 4 by 12. 0 get cancelled. 1 times 6, 2 times 12, and 300 by 2 is 150. And then 150 into 4 is rupees 600. Amount of additional capital. For Devan interest on capital, we have to add opening capital for 1 year and an additional capital for 4 months. That is 3000 plus 600, which will give you rupees 3600. Is our amount of Devan's interest on capital.